So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on and show you guys a couple more of my last minute Easter basket concepts. This concept I think can go for well, it could actually go for a little girl, a teen girl, a tween girl. I think it can go for a girl of all ages. And so let me show you what I included in this. Of course, first of all, this bucket right here, both of them came from Dollar Tree. These were some of the little, what do you call it, solar cups that they had at Dollar Tree. And I love this color here. On the front of these baskets, I use window clings to, give it more of a Easter feel. These little Squishmallows came from Walgreens. You can see it on the tag that they came from Walgreens. And I got these, I think a couple years ago. They had put their Squishmallows on for 90% off. So I got these Squishmallows for $1 at Walgreens. And these are, as you can see, they're little popsicles. I love them. I think they're so cute. And so let me show you what else is going in these baskets. So the next big thing that's going in here is, this is I'm going to push him down, a milkshake kit, Sour Patch Kid that I got. I think I got both of these from Walmart, I think. Either Walmart or Target. I know I got one of them from Walmart. I think I got both of them from Walmart. After Christmas this year. And then I just bought some popsicles to go with the little popsicle theme from Dollar Tree. I, put some of my snacks. I had bought some of the Sour Patch Kids. Ooh, I just lost him. Put him back. I bought some of the Sour Patch Kids and the Swedish Fish at Walmart. I bought like a 18 pack to go in my Easter basket. So it worked out perfect because there's two different kinds of Sour Patch Kids in here. And then I put a pack of Swedish Fish. So these little drink bottles, y'all, I thought these were so cute. I got these from Target after Christmas. They had 4 different flavors. I only got 3 flavors. They had the Crush, the 7-Up, the orange that's right here, and then they had the root beer. I didn't get the root beer one, but I did get those other 3. So I stuck that in there because I thought that would add a cute little addition to this little gift basket. And I put that in both of them, and along with the rest of my little snacks that you guys saw in this video. So that's pretty much my little concept. I'm about to wrap these up and get these ready for sale today. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. So I am, trying to get some last minute little concepts put out to make up for some of the sales that we did on yesterday. So anyway, you guys, y'all tell me what you think. I think these turned out oh so cute. I wish I had some more of the little Sour Patch kits I would make, because I have more of these little Squishmallows. I would make some more of these. I love this little concept. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.